Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to update apps in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. First you need to open the Google Play Store in your phone, then select the profile icon in the top right corner. Here click on the Manage Apps and Device and then click on the Manage. Here you see your apps and you can update. For example, I want to update this, and you can take a check mark on the all apps if you want, or only on one. For example, this. No, you can click first updates, and here take a check mark. For example, this and this, and then click on the arrow on the top right, and that's all. As can you see, it work. And that's all. Goodbye.